y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. So I gotta make this video quick. I don't have no makeup on because I have Angel's right here. I have a doctor's appointment in literally like 20 minutes. Y'all, we gotta make this video quick. But I didn't want to not record it, so I'm just like, let's make it quick. Also, my nails are toe up. I'm sorry, y'all. There was an incident that happened in Greece. We're gonna get into that in a later video. But as you can tell by the title, you already know what we are unboxing, and I'm super duper excited because I have been wanting this bag for a long time and just never bought it. And now that I've kind of, you know, changed the style up, I decided to go ahead and make this my first bag to add to my wardrobe, and I'm really excited. So I did order this from Fenwick. Ordered it yesterday, came today. And I did end up paying more for this than you would pay in the US. I paid 200 pounds for this, and that's roughly about $270. It does really suck, but I wanted it sooner, so that's the kind of give and take that I had with it. So, okay, great. So we can go ahead. Okay, and I told y'all that I did order it from Fenwick, and this is what it's looking like. And I'm sure it's already in the thumbnail, but I did get the small and not the mini because I wanted to be able to put my laptop in it. So yeah. So let's go ahead and open her up. You want to know, it's a lot heavier than I assumed it would be. Because I've never actually seen this bag in person. So this is the bag. Y'all, this is, can my laptop fit in this? Is this the small? This looks so small. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It's definitely the small. This is what the bag looks like. I'm wearing it today, so I was worried about it like sinking in, but now that I have the bag in my hand and I see how sturdy it is, I definitely don't think it's gonna sink in like that. I don't have time to show y'all if my laptop can fit in it, but in another video I'll do I plan on doing a what's in my bag, and I can show y'all then. But it's just the bag. There is no dust bag, but you just have the bag. You have the little black strap that comes with it, and it has like Marc Jacobs right here. It has Marc Jacobs right here on the little tassels, and that's pretty much it. There is a little pouch in the inside here. You can slide some stuff in, but I mean, that's the bag in its entirety, you know, and that's it. And that's perfect, like, because that's really all I needed. I realized that I feel like a great first bag should be a tote bag, because you need a bag that's going to be able to, like, fit your stuff in it. So that's why I decided to go with a tote versus, like, a smaller bag, you know, or whatever. But, y'all, this is it. This is it. Quickest video on the channel. This is my Marc Jacobs small tote unboxing. Again, I will do a what fits inside, but this is just me unboxing it, showing y'all what exactly it comes with, and you know, a nice color profile on it. But oh, and I'll do a quick little outfit check. So shirt, H&M. This is going to be in my what I bought haul. This is new. Shorts, H&M, again, what I bought haul. Earrings, the same. Jewelry is always the same, except I did go ahead and get a new watch, okay, which will also be in my what I bought haul. We're going to talk about it because she is really cute. Really, she's giving. But we'll talk about that in my next video. I have on my Converse hike runs. I have on Nike socks. And I am going to be taking that Marc Jacobs bag, and I'll be wearing my black Tom Ford sunglasses, okay? And that is it. I'll back up for y'all. That is the look for the day. Simple, chic, cute, and we're out the door. But I love y'all so much. I'm so sorry if Angel's iPad is like drowning me out, y'all. Full-time mom, what can I say? But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. 2022 is the road to 10K. Fingers crossed, we're halfway through and we ain't halfway there. So fingers are crossed. We're gonna keep on working on it. But I love y'all so much. I really hope y'all enjoyed the Mykonos vlog. Worked really hard on it. Had an amazing time on the trip, regardless of what transpired afterwards. Shady. But again, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.